Alright, Kai is kind of cruising. Let's see if he'll come cruise over here for a melt. Want this melt?
You can do it. Straighten up.
He's got it. He's got it. Just let him go. He'll work it out. He's strong. Oh, it's okay.
It's okay.
He needs help getting back up.
I'm gonna put his leg in. Here he goes. Here he goes.
Oh my God.
Push up. Push up. You got it. Remember, do your little. Hold on. Sit back down. Just do what Trisha said. Put your leg around like this. Okay, now. Okay. Push up. Push up. Here. Hold on. Just get this. Hold on. Okay, there. Now, pull up. There you go. That's right. That's right. Push. There you go.
Good job, Kai. Come get the melt.
Here's a yogurt melt.
You can do it. It's okay. He has to keep on going. You got it, Kai. Come on. You did like 2 really good steps. Come on. It's right here. Oh no. Yay! Success! Success! Yeah. Bye-bye. Good job, Kai.